This is a tutorial on the zero gravity Chaplin. Basically the move looks like this. And what it is, it's basically just a Chaplin, but it's done inverted, upside down, basically. Now the trick actually looks a lot harder than it actually is. But what you'll realize is the trick is it's a momentum-based trick. It's a timing-based trick, and once you get the timing and you get kind of the concept down, it's really not too hard to learn. The basic thing that I would say that's different from your regular Chaplin upward like this is in the regular Chaplin you're kind of going around the finger. Like for me, I'm kind of giving that momentum and that energy to keep going around my finger when I go to my right and to my left, and I feel the pressure of the pivot all around my finger while I'm doing it. You know, you could almost do it in a circular motion like this, you know, but that's not the case with the zero gravity or underhand Chaplin. When you do it inverted, okay, the energy to keep the blade going around only comes from one point. Now that, at least for me, you know, some people, if they while they're learning, they might find a different way, but you'll see that when I'm doing the zero gravity Chaplin, my hand doesn't move in a circle, okay, like the regular Charlie Chaplin. It actually moves left and right, and the reason for that is because when you come around, all right, you're going to give the blade, the Balisong, a push, okay, a push around your index finger, as if you were doing like a behind the eight ball, right? You would give it a push like this, and that's kind of the way I would actually start to learn. Just hold it here like that, kind of like a behind the eight ball, you know how you normally come into a behind the eight ball, but hold it like this and just practice giving it from here a push and just catch it. You know, you don't have to get multiple rotations down right away, okay, just like that. All right, now once you start wanting to do multiple rotations, what you're going to do is you're going to time it that when it comes back around here, you're not going to stop. You got to give it, you got to let it come around and catch it at the right time and give it another push to keep the momentum going. Okay, so you'll see my hand is going, you know, right, left, and really it's only pushing in this part of the motion, okay, when I'm going to the right. The rest of the time it's just a free rotation, just rotating around my finger. When I'm going back left, I'm not actually pushing the blade, I'm just getting my hand ready to give it another rotation. Okay, so when I'm going to the right, it goes around. When I'm coming back to the left, it's just a free rotation back here, and then I'm giving it another push. Alright, so in this particular vid, I'm just going to focus, I just wanted to focus on how to do the move itself, because before you get to any combos or transfers or any more ways to integrate this move into your routine, you kind of have to be very familiar and be able to at least get around your index multiple times. Otherwise, it's going to kind of be a struggle to integrate it into any type of freestyle routine. So I hope that kind of helps explain the move. It's really not that hard. It's like riding a bicycle. Once you get that initial feel for it, you know, if you can get around twice, you could pretty much get around 50 times. You know, once you figure out how to get around twice, that's how it was for me. You know, once I got around a couple times, you know, you could just keep going. So I hope that helps, and if you guys have any questions or comments, message me, or, you know, leave a comment. I'll try to get to it the best I can, and hope you enjoyed the tutorial and hope to see it in your routines. Thanks for watching. Just going to try to get some left-handed footage in here. I know if you're predominantly lefty, it's hard to learn from a right-handed tutorial. Not as smooth as the right, but hopefully it helps.
0 worries, 0. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0.